How's it, everyone? Sup. Bit of a weird camera setup this time. At the moment we're away installing a big machine, and I just thought I'd like to share my carries for when I go away. Obviously the knives swap and change as I go along, but I've been putting my cold steel Verdict through its paces on the job that we're busy working on. Been installing a huge angle line punch machine, so lots of unboxing of moving parts, or parts should I say, and opening up wrappers and cutting plastic and all kinds of things. And this knife's been put through its paces and it's still going strong. It's a really nice knife to use for this sort of stuff, especially if you're busy wearing gloves, and because the machines come quite oiled up, so instead of with the gloves in there, it just makes it easier to work on everything. Nice thing about the cold steel Verdict is it very much one-handed, so you can manipulate it however you want with one hand. So while you're busy holding stuff and all of that, it gives you the opportunity to be able to work with it. Instead of putting stuff down, you can at least go with one hand. Locking mechanism's been great on it. Works really well, as most of you know. Locks on these work very well. There's been a couple of tests of where they put the locks through their paces and hang weight off of them, and I've been really loving this knife. It's thin in the pocket. I have done a video of this before. If you missed it, you go back and find it amongst the playlist there. But been carrying that and using that a lot. Then torches, I've got the Warrior Mini 2. Also been working very hard as we are inside a dark area that we're busy working, so good torches come in handy. And I'm actually carrying two, so I've got the Warrior Mini 2 and my Wubin X2. Both of these been working well. As you can see, they're nice and dirty. My pocket clip did come off because I lost a screw for it, so I just haven't replaced that yet, but it fits nicely in my pocket. Then obviously with being away, haven't been doing any cooking, so it's a lot of fast foods and stuff like that. But I seem to have been living on biltong this trip, and you got to protect your biltong, so carrying my Manix 2 to protect my biltong. It's always nice when you are away at places to be able to have a bit of protection for that sort of stuff. A little bead on here. This knife's from Chris Warroom, EDC. Oh, I see we got a ship coming into the harbour here as we're busy talking. I haven't said where I am. I'm actually in East London in South Africa at the moment. So as you can see the ship in the distance there coming in. Another thing I've been carrying is my little EDC wallet. Oh, that I'm throwing around in here. Got a little pry bar I'm going to carry with me, so I don't use my knives to pry things. I've got my little pry bar, and there goes a torch, and get to it, there we go, a little EDC pin, which comes in handy. Had to use this a couple of times, especially when I've been going across border and you have to fill out visas and stuff like that. Always good to have a pen with you. Nice thing with this is it's nice and light and easy to pack away. So yeah, that's it. Hope you all have a great day. I think I'll insert some of the pictures of the machine that we've been installing. It's only 32 meters long. So yeah, let's see, there's a tugboat coming in. Let's get you some better pictures of that quickly. Zoom in on there. Here's a tugboat coming out to bring the ship into the harbour. Sorry for the poor quality. I'm filming through a window at the moment because it's a little bit windy and cold outside. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you all soon. Keep well and safe. So like,
subscribe,
leave a comment, and thanks for watching.